Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 10 Electromagnetism of 10th class. Within this particular chapter, we are going to discuss about magnetic field due to current. Already we have discussed what is meant by magnetic field. Magnetic field is nothing but what? A region or a space around a bar magnet or current carrying wire exercent force which attracts with exercent force, that is called as nothing but what? Magnetic field. How that particular force will be existing? In what way we can represent? In the form of magnetic lines of forces. How that particular force will be existing in a point? In the form of tangential. All the things we have studied clearly about magnetic field. Now we are going to discuss about magnetic field due to current carrying wire. We can take it up. Already in activity 1 of our textbook, we have studied clearly that we observe that when a compass wheel is placed near the circuit carrying current, it shows a deflection. It shows a deflection. Based upon the deflection, we can say that there is a relationship between magnetic effect as well as the current flowing through a circuit. There is a relationship between the magnetism as well as current flowing through a circuit. We have studied clearly based upon the deflection when current is flowing through a circuit. What does it give? It helps us to understand. It helps us to understand that current carrying wire will produce one field. What is that field? Magnetic field. How can we say that current carrying wire is also behaving like a magnet? If it is behaving like a magnet, magnetic field will be existing around that particular region. Compass needle is also behaving like a magnet. Two laws are there: laws of reflection as well as law of attraction. Like poles repulse each other, unlike poles attracts each other. Based upon that one, compass needle will get deflected either away from the north pole or towards the south pole. Based upon that, we can say that the current carrying wire is producing one field. What is that field? Magnetic field. It is producing that. Up to there we have understood. Not only that one, magnetic field produced due to current carrying wire will be in two ways we can understand that itself. How many ways? Two ways. One is magnetic field produced due to current carrying straight wire is one concept. Other concept is what? Magnetic field produced due to current carrying circular wire. Now within this particular class, we are going to study about current carrying wire. Which current wire? Current carrying wire of straight wire through which magnetic field will be get produced. Now we are going to study about that particular concept. To perform that particular activity, we are taking what? I have taken a table there. I have taken a table. On that particular table, what I said, I have taken a wooden plank of a rectangular shape. Nicely make a hole at one edge of the particular wooden plank. I made a circular hole. After making a circular hole on the particular wooden plank, I am pasting with a white paper. Upward surface as well as bottom surface. Exactly where we got hole, we are cutting that particular paper there. Then afterwards, I am placing that particular plank. I am mounting that particular plank on the table such that the plank should not be get fall down. Later on, I place a record stand through which what happened that a clamp has been get fixed by means of a fixer there. Place it on what wooden plank. Then afterwards I have taken what an insulating copper wire of 24 gauge. I have taken a long copper wire and I wounded near this particular rubber pointer itself to this particular clamp. A rubber is fixed there. I have wounded there in the form of straight insulating wire. I have taken to the particular pole. To be at straight, what I did, I have placed a little bit weighted metal rod so that insulating copper wire can be get existing in the form of straight wire, in the form of straight line, it can be get exist. And other two ends of the particular copper wire is connected to a tap key as well as battery of 3 to 9 volt. 3 to 9 volt I have connected to a battery. After connecting to a battery, what I am doing, I am taking 6 to 10 compass needles. How many needles I am taking here? 6 to 10 compass needles I am taking it up and placing around this particular circularly cutted this particular wooden block on the particular place. I place it up. 6 to 10 compass needles around this particular circular shape existing around the particular plank and placing that particular compass needle. Then switch on the current, switch on the key. As soon as I switch on the key, current flow will be taken place in two different ways, from high potential to low potential as well as reverse direction, low potential to high potential. As the current is flowing through this particular coil, what happens there already according to activity 1 we have studied clearly that when the current is flowing through a circuit through a copper wire, automatically what happens if I bring near a compass needle, what happens there? It deflects. If it is deflecting means what? There is an effect of magnetic field around the current carrying wire. So to understand that for the current carrying wire, the direction, the effect of magnetic field as the current is passing through this particular straight wire, how that effect will be that existing? It can be taken place in two ways. One is if I am supposing that current is flowing out of the page, for example, from down to up, if current is flowing out of the page is one direction. Other one is what? Current is flowing into the page. One is in upward direction, current flow can be taken place. One way of observing we can run it up. If it is moving in downward direction also, another way of observation, the effect of magnetic field around current carrying wire can be explained. To explain this particular activity, what I have taken right hand ampere rule. For example, if this is a current carrying wire, suppose if I want to explain this particular current carrying wire in two different ways, I can explain by holding ampere right hand rule. Ampere right hand rule can be held in how many ways? Two ways. One is in this direction, other one is in this direction. Means what? One is out of the page, other one is into the page. If I am taking it is out of the page, how it will be? The current is flowing in upward direction. Means what? From the pole in upward direction current is flowing. If current is flowing in upward direction, now these curved fingers according to right hand ampere rule. Thumb indicates direction of flow of current. Curved fingers indicates direction of flow of magnetic field. Direction of flow of magnetic field around current carrying wire. Thumb indicates direction of current. These curved fingers indicate direction of flow existing of magnetic field around a current carrying wire. Similarly, if I am taking around this particular hole, all the compass rings will be arranged in such a way that in the form of circular rings it will be get formed up. So that if I am taking thumb indicates what out of the page, then current is flowing in what direction? Upward direction. Then this curved finger indicate what? Rotate over. what existing of effect of magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. That effect will be in what way it will be there? It will be existing in what direction? Anti-clockwise direction it will be existing. The effect of magnetic field on current carrying wire which is in upward direction out of the page, if it is moving, then the effect of magnetic field around that particular straight wire which is carrying current will be in anti-clockwise direction. In this direction, anti-clockwise direction it would be. And that is the concept of out of the page if you are taking it up. Suppose now what I am taking there, if this is a current carrying wire, now I want to explain by means of what? Right hand ampere rule I have taken in upward direction. Now I would like to explain with what? Downward direction. If I am taking it is in downward direction, see here, it is in downward direction. Thumb indicates what? The current flowing in what direction? Downward direction, second part. If current is flowing in downward direction according to ampere right hand rule, what happened? Thumb indicates direction of flow of current. This curved finger indicates what? Rotation of magnetic effect around current carrying wire. So what? Thumb indicates direction of current which is moving in downward direction. Curved fingers they are existing around current carrying conductor in such a way that in what direction they are existing? In clockwise direction they are existing. In clockwise direction they are existing. Therefore, in these two different ways, we can explain the magnetic field lines, the effect of magnetic field on current carrying wire of a straight wire that if you take it up. In two different ways we can take it up. One is if it is out of the page, magnetic field lines will be existing in anti-clockwise direction. If it is into the page, magnetic field lines around the current carrying straight wire will be in clockwise direction. These two concepts can be explained. That is the effect of magnetic field due to current carrying wire. That of what wire it is? Straight wire we have seen it. In next class we will discuss about what? Magnetic field produced due to current carrying what wire? Circular wire or circular coil. We will discuss about that particular activity in next class. Till that time, try to watch this particular activity number of times and try to analyze the concept. Thank you, children.